All right, if you're a researcher in radiological analysis, you already know that gamma ray shielding calculations can be a huge bottleneck. So today, we're going to dive into a really powerful tool that's designed to completely change the game. Does this sound familiar? You've got a groundbreaking new shielding material you want to test, but you find yourself just bogged down, lost in complex calculations, and constantly switching between different clunky software tools. It's a super common frustration, and honestly, it's one that has held back research for years. And this quote right here, it just hits the nail on the head. We've known for decades that using multiple layers in a shield is way better for stopping things like radiation leakage. But actually studying them? Well, that's been notoriously difficult, because as experts pointed out a long time ago, there's just been no standard, straightforward way to do it.
So what's the answer? Well, a breakthrough platform was developed to take on this exact challenge, bringing all the calculations you need into one easy-to-use online space.
Let me introduce you to Py-MLBUF. It stands for Python Program for Multi-Layered Buildup Factors. And it's exactly what it sounds like, a powerful and free online platform that gives researchers like you a single, comprehensive spot for all your shielding investigations. And you should know this isn't just some side project somebody threw together. Py-MLBUF is the result of serious academic work by its creators, Dr. Kulvinder Singh Mann and S.S. Mann. It was even published in the peer-reviewed journal Annals of Nuclear Energy, which gives you real confidence that the methodology is solid. Okay, so what can this thing actually do? Let's take a look under the hood at the features that make it so much more than just a calculator. In fact, the developers call it a free research consultancy tool. First, let's just talk about the sheer scope here. Py-MLBUF calculates a full suite of 36 different gamma ray shielding parameters, or GSPs. We are not talking about just one or two basic metrics. This is the whole shebang, a full spectrum analysis. And this table here gives you just a taste of that incredible range. It covers everything, from your fundamental attenuation and absorption coefficients, all the way to those highly complex buildup factors you need for really intricate shields. We're talking shields with up to 15 different layers. The workflow is just designed to be incredibly efficient. You just input your shield design and the materials, pick your energy range, and click Calculate. The platform does all the heavy lifting, and then it emails the complete analysis, your tables, your data, your graphs, right to your inbox. But the value here goes way beyond just the raw numbers. Py-MLBUF automatically plots publication-ready graphs for you and even gives you suggestions on how to optimize the orientation of your shield layers. And maybe the best part? It's totally free. There's nothing to install, and you can even run calculations right from your phone. Okay, so for any serious research tool, performance and credibility are absolutely everything. So let's see how Py-MLBUF was put through its paces to make sure it's not just powerful, but also lightning fast and dead-on accurate.
Now, this is essential for any researcher. The platform's results have been rigorously benchmarked against the gold standards in our field. We're talking the NIST's XCOM database and the American Nuclear Society standard. This validation means you can absolutely trust the data you get.
And it is incredibly fast. Just look at this chart comparing it to another online tool, Phyix plus DD. It's no contest. Phyix plus DD took 42 seconds to analyze 18 parameters. Py-MLBUF delivered a more comprehensive analysis of 30 parameters in just 8 seconds. That is a tiny fraction of the time for almost double the work.
And here's the kicker. It's not just faster, it's actually more accurate. This chart shows the percentage deviation from standard values. See how wide the deviation range is for those other tools? Now look at Py-MLBUF on the right. That much narrower bar means its results are consistently closer to the accepted standard. It's a win-win.
So what does all this, the speed, the accuracy, the comprehensive features, what does it all actually mean for your work, day in and day out? Let's talk about the direct impact a tool like this can have. You know, at its core, Py-MLBUF just removes the computational barriers. It's going to save you tons of time, give you real confidence in your results, and it finally makes investigating those complex, multi-layered shields easy. This frees you up to focus less on the how of the calculation and more on real innovation, like developing lighter, cheaper, and more effective shielding materials. The creator's goal here is to make this powerful platform a new standard in the field, empowering researchers just like you everywhere. And the best part is, you can start using it right now. Here's the link. There's no paywall, no sign up, no software to download. Just go to the website and start using it for your next project. It's ready to go. And as you start using Py-MLBUF in your research, The developers ask for one simple but very important thing. Please cite their original research paper. This makes sure that Dr. Mann and SS Mann get the credit they deserve for this incredible contribution, and it helps establish this tool as a trusted standard for the entire research community. So, we'll just leave you with that question to think about. Imagine the new possibilities for your own research now that this kind of powerful analysis is so easily within reach. Thanks for joining this explainer.